Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MongoDB Atlas CLI for schema and backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To install MongoDB Atlas CLI for schema and backups, start by visiting the official MongoDB Atlas website. Look for the documentation section related to the MongoDB Atlas CLI. Locate the installation instructions for your operating system, as the steps may vary between Windows, macOS, and Linux. For Windows users, open your command prompt. Download the latest MongoDB Atlas CLI executable from the provided link. Once downloaded, navigate to the folder containing the executable. Run the command to install the MongoDB Atlas CLI by executing the downloaded file. For macOS users, open your terminal. Use Homebrew to install the MongoDB Atlas CLI by running the command brew tap mongodb/brew. Then, execute the command brew install MongoDB Atlas CLI. For Linux users, open your terminal. Download the appropriate package file from the MongoDB Atlas website. Follow the instructions to install the downloaded package using your distribution's package manager. After installation, verify the CLI installation by running the command atlas version. This will confirm that the MongoDB Atlas CLI is installed correctly. Next, set up your MongoDB Atlas account if you haven't already. Log into your MongoDB Atlas account through the web interface. Navigate to the API section in your account settings. Here, create a new API key to authenticate the CLI. Make sure to note down your public key and private key. Now, return to your command line interface. Use the command atlas config set to enter your API key information. Provide the required credentials, including your public and private keys. With your CLI configured, you are now ready to use it for managing your schema and backups. To enable schema management features, run the command specific to your needs. For backups, explore the available commands that allow you to schedule backups or create them on demand. Check the documentation for additional flags and options based on your requirements. Familiarize yourself with the common commands to enhance your efficiency with the MongoDB Atlas CLI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.